Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or... They laughed at him, not quietly, not behind his back. I'm talking about real laughter, doubt, disrespect. Because to them, Jabut wasn't supposed to make it. But fast forward to today, those same people, they're watching him, talking about him, even respecting him. So, what changed? Because something definitely did. And trust me, you didn't see it coming. And here's the crazy part. It wasn't overnight success. It wasn't luck. And it definitely wasn't handed to him. So, if you think this is just another feel-good story, stay right there, because this gets deeper. Let's go back for a second. There was a time when Jabut was just there. No hype, no spotlight, no real attention. People saw him, but they didn't rate him. You know how it goes when somebody is in the room, but nobody really expects anything from them. That was Jabut. And in this space, if people don't believe in you, they start to overlook you. They start to underestimate you, and eventually they start to laugh. And that kind of doubt, it does something to a person, because it's not just about what people say. It's about what they don't say. No support, no recognition, no belief. Just silence and skepticism. And most people, they break under that pressure. Most people stop trying. Most people disappear. But Jabut didn't. He stayed, he worked, he observed. And while everyone else was focused on what he wasn't doing, he was quietly building something. No noise, no announcement, no validation, just consistency. And that's where things started to change. Because one day something clicked. Not for him, for everyone else. Suddenly, people started noticing, started paying attention, started asking questions like, wait, when did this happen? And just like that, the same person they laughed at became the one they couldn't ignore. Now everybody is watching, and not just casually. I'm talking about real attention. People studying him, people talking about him, people even trying to understand his move. And here's the part that hits the hardest. Some of those same people are the ones who doubted him the most. This is why you can't judge someone too early, because growth doesn't always make noise. Sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it's slow, but when it shows up, it shocks everyone. Jabut didn't just change his situation, he changed how people see him, and that's a different kind of power. But here's a question nobody's asking. Was this always in him? Or did the doubt create this version of him? Because if that's true, then what we're watching right now might only be the beginning. Let me know what you think. Did people really underestimate Jabut? Or was this always going to happen? And if you've ever been doubted like this story, this one is for you. See you in the next video.